Setting up a Skool membership is a quick and straightforward process, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. By the end, you'll have everything in place to start using Skool for your community or membership site. Let's dive in. First, once you sign up for Skool, you'll land on a dashboard. Here's where you can set up your Skool, add your community, and tweak the settings. The main thing you'll do here is create a new Skool, which serves as the hub for your members. Click on the Create Skool button, and you'll be prompted to name your Skool, upload a logo, and choose a category that fits your content. Skool offers several default categories, like business and health, but you can select one or leave it broad if you prefer. Next thing, adding your community. Once your Skool is created, Skool gives you the option to create different groups within the community. Think of groups as different sections of your membership. You might have a general discussion group, a VIP group, and maybe an educational content group. When creating these groups, you can also set privacy settings for each. You can make them public or private, depending on your needs. If you're running a paid membership, you'll likely want to keep things private for paid members only. The third thing, setting up courses or content. Skool makes it really easy to upload content, whether it's videos, written guides, or links. Simply create a new course, and you can organize content into modules. You can also choose how you want your content displayed, whether you want a free course or something behind a paywall. This is where Skool can be useful for creators looking to build educational content along with their community. The fourth thing, integrating your payment system. If you want to monetize your membership site, Skool allows you to integrate with payment processors like Stripe. Once integrated, you can set pricing for your groups and courses. This allows you to sell access to specific content or groups directly through the platform. It's very simple. You just select the Add Pricing option and you're good to go. You'll also be able to configure trial periods and recurring billing for memberships, giving you flexibility in how you charge. Next, let's talk about managing your members. Skool makes it super easy to track who is part of your community. You can view member profiles, see their activity within groups, and even send direct messages if needed. You can also assign roles to members, like moderators or admins, to help manage the community's growth. Now, here's where Skool gets a little tricky. While the platform is intuitive and easy to use, it has limitations when it comes to customization and flexibility. Unlike some competitors, like Kajabi or Thinkific, you might feel a bit boxed in if you need more robust features, especially when it comes to designing your site. If customization is important to you, Skool might not be the best option for more complex needs. Finally, if you're considering alternatives, there are other platforms out there that offer better support for advanced features, integrations, and scalability. Software like Teachable, Thinkific, or even Mighty Networks may provide the flexibility and customization you need for a more complex setup, and they also have free trials. To wrap up, we've got an exclusive offer for you. By signing up through our link, you'll get an extended free trial of Skool, but we also want you to check out the competitors we mentioned. They have amazing alternatives that may be a better fit for your goals, all with free trials available too. Make sure to grab the best deal through the link in the description. You won't want to miss it.